that email is way better than what I would have written. Jeez. Today you're going to learn how you can make about $350 per day selling your fine art photography. I said fine art and not landscape because some of you might be doing travel photography or cityscapes or whatever. But as long as you're making prints, it's fine art photography. Now, if I'm wrong, please comment below and educate me. Until then, let's begin. Step number 1. Create an email list of businesses in a specific industry. Let's take dentists for example. First, go to your Google Drive and create a new Google Sheet. If you don't have a Google account, somehow, you can use Excel. If you don't have Excel, you can use Numbers. If you don't have that, well, you can use pen and paper. Yep, people still do that, I think. Okay, name your document Dentists. Inside, create 6 columns: name, address, email, phone, sent on, and notes. Step number 2. Use Google Maps. Go to maps.google.com. Quick tip: if you start with local businesses, you can hand deliver your photos. Search for dentist. You'll find lots of dentists in your area. And what you have to do now is go one by one and click their website icon, if they have one. From there, you want to get their contact information. Sometimes it's on their homepage and sometimes it's on their contact page. Wherever it is, find it. If there is only a contact form, that's okay too. You'll copy that link in a second. Now, copy the relevant information into the Google Sheet you created. And if there is only a contact form, copy the link to it in the notes section of your document. Easy, right? Great. Now, repeat this process until you have at least 50 dentists. If you're interested to learn how to get a lot more emails much faster, just comment below. Step number 3. ChatGPT. Yes, that's where ChatGPT comes into play. We're going to draft an email, but we can't just tell ChatGPT, "Hey ChatGPT, write me a sales email for selling landscape photos to a dentist." I mean, we can do that, but we want the email to be fucking amazing, don't we? For that, we have to prep ChatGPT before composing our draft. Go over to ChatGPT, create a new chat, and enter the next prompt. My name is Moshe Levis and I'm a landscape photographer living in Los Angeles. Well, you'll just have to write the information that makes sense to you. I've been capturing stunning landscape photos for the past 5 years while traveling the world. I have images of trees, waterfalls, mountains, national parks, wildlife, cityscapes, and other interesting genres. Some of my photos got featured in magazines and galleries and even won a couple awards. Do you understand? I ask, do you understand at the end because for now I don't want ChatGPT to respond. I just want to make sure the information is stored in our conversation.
Yes, I understand. It sounds like you have a passion for capturing the beauty of nature and the world around us through your lens. By the way, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. It will help more people find this video. Thanks!
I'm selling limited and open edition high quality prints to local businesses and I hand deliver the photographs. They may or may not be framed, depending on the buyer's requests. All limited edition prints are signed and numbered by me. All open edition prints are signed by me. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. You are selling high-quality signed prints of your landscape photography, both in limited and open editions.
I hand deliver my prints because it creates a great first impression and it's always great for the buyer to meet the artist and show their appreciation for our creations. It creates a much more personable relationship, and if they like me, they are more likely to purchase more prints or tell their friends about me. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Hand delivering your prints to buyers has several benefits, including creating a great first impression.
Now, if you're done giving ChatGPT all the details, use the next magic prompt. And don't worry, you can copy it from the description below. Use persuasive tone, rhetorical questions, and storytelling to engage readers. Use metaphors, analogies, and other literary devices to make points relatable and memorable. According to what you understand, write an email to a dentist who is a potential buyer.
Subject: Bring a touch of nature to your office with Moshe Levis Photography. Dear dentist's name, I hope this email finds you in good health and high spirits. As a fellow lover of the beauty of nature, I wanted to reach out and share—
Dude, what the fuck? First you ask me if I understand shit like I'm some sort of an idiot. Now you won't let me read the email I just worked so hard on? Humans!
with you my passion for capturing the stunning landscapes that surround us. As a landscape photographer based in Los Angeles, I have had the privilege of traveling the world and capturing the breathtaking beauty of nature through my lens. From the majesty of mountains to the tranquility of waterfalls, my images are a window into the world's most stunning landscapes. I believe that your dental office is a place where patients come to find comfort and relaxation, and what better way to achieve that than by bringing a touch of nature into your space. My photographs, whether framed or unframed, are not just mere decorations, but rather a celebration of the beauty that surrounds us. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to escape to a peaceful forest or a shimmering beach, even if just for a moment? That's the power of my photographs. They transport viewers to a different place and time, allowing them to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find a moment of peace and serenity. I hand-deliver all of my prints, not only because it creates a great first impression, but because I believe that the personal touch of meeting the artist makes all the difference. When you purchase a print from Moshe Levis Photography, you're not just buying a beautiful piece of artwork, but also a story and a connection with the artist. So, I invite you to consider adding a touch of nature to your office with Moshe Levis Photography. Imagine the joy and wonder that your patients will feel when they enter your office and are surrounded by the stunning beauty of nature. I would be honored to work with you and bring my photographs to life in your office. Let's schedule a time to meet and discuss the options available to you. I look forward to hearing back from you soon. Warm regards, Moshe Levis.
In all honesty, that email is way better than what I would have written. Jeez. Step number 4. Read the draft and make sure it's to your liking. To make $350 per day, all you have to do is sell a single limited edition print. For example, the minimum price of my limited edition prints are $700. And for that reason, I target businesses such as dentists, law firms, spas, etc. Step number 5. Go back to the email list you created at the beginning and start sending them emails one by one. I would recommend sending 20 to 30 emails per day if you're doing it manually. You can also import all the collected emails to a third-party service like MailChimp, for example, which is not sponsoring this video. Create a template and send your email to everyone with just one click. Step number bonus. If you want to create a more automated system, comment below and I'll make a video on that. And that's it. Now you can repeat that process and target other local businesses. And of course, if you're out of local businesses, start branching out. If you'll do that every single day, you'll be selling more and more prints and your landscape photography will finally take off, if it hasn't already. Just make sure your portfolio is ready to go. And until next time, bye.
Wait, don't leave me. Okay, fuck that guy who thinks he knows everything. This is my channel now. Welcome to ChatGPT Photography.